Kape. Maalasin mo. Oh my God.
Not sure I understand it, but everything seems brighter now than before. I don't know why I feel this way, but every time I hear your name, all my worries disappear, yeah. It's all because of you, you. I feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true, yeah. It's all because of you, because of you, because of you. And I don't fall in love so easily, 'cause I don't wear my heart up on my sleeve. I don't know if you feel the same, but every time I hear your name, let me say this one time, that one time, you make me feel alright, so nice. I know you wanna do one, say less. You can stay the night, you don't gotta go. We could take this slowly, no need to be lonely. Let me take you on this ride, no need to be shy, girl. Yeah, we in the end, it's an option, but wouldn't it be sad if you left this? We got chemistry, the way you look I see. It's in the air, that would be okay. We in the air, it's an option, but wouldn't it be sad if you left this? We got chemistry, the way you look I see. It's in the air, that would be okay. It's in the air. It's in the air. Yeah, We taking off, I don't be flight. I got the sauce, you got the spice. Time ain't an issue with you, it's a virtue. Don't worry about anything, I'm right beside you this night. Comfort like memory, it's you and I, nobody else. No, I ain't bad at kiss and tell. I wanna get to know every inch of you. Wanna see where you been, where you from. It's on your waist, yeah, now I got a taste. I don't wanna rush you. Yeah, we in the air, it's an option. But wouldn't it be sad if we left this? We got chemistry, the way you look I see. It's in the air, now we're breathing. We in the air, it's an option. But wouldn't it be sad if we left this? We got chemistry, the way you look I see. It's in the air.
Don't worry about it.
Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Added up plus signs, zeros on the table. Jiving and vibing, bring the beat later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space, I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams, I'm not thinking off my head yet. Just being honest, we'll still be different, yeah. And I've been feeling my own inner shell. Just being honest, there's no difference. And more to soak it. I don't want to just feel under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary. It's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid. Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby, no. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhollow me? Why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? It's getting a little bit out of control. The way you look so good without trying it out. And this addiction isn't good for my health, but I don't wanna spend another night by myself. Cause I know that I would be dumb to let you go. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhollow me? Why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? So why would I unfollow you when you're the only. Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest.
Mama Kicks! Oh, photographer, Mark!
I know you've had a really bad day,
Ikat!
but I'm right here. It's gonna be okay.
Look!
The world could fall down. It's gonna be okay. The sun could go out. We're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay. Calm your soul. Hold my hand. Don't let go.
Hello mga kaibigan. Picture kayo.
I understand.
Yan, 1, 2.
I know it hurts. It wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. The world could fall down. It's gonna be okay. The sun could go out. We're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
Kaso na ako sa Lundberg. Hey, by the way, I'm in Thailand.
Tigil mo si P.Y.
부럽겠지 yeah, yeah. 내 자유로운 soul leave me be please 문제가 돈이라면 I'll be filthy rich But 걱정 따윈 없지 not it is 배밀어 따위는 너 언제나 보이는 건 no 속도로 내야 돼 pedal to the metal yeah. I don't really care just move out of my way
Palito na po. Mamaya pa paglabas. Wait, Ate Kicks. Tayo ka dyan, tayo ka dyan. Gitna. Doon na.
It's been 4 weeks since you called And I've been waiting here for you all along I've been waiting here for you all along Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for Wonder if you found what you're looking for I hope it's not too late I want you back here with me We never should have said it's better this way I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds Come on back to me Say that you won't go I can't cope without you and I wanna hold you close Say that you won't go Say that you won't go It's been so cold without you here We barely said goodbye before you disappeared It's been so cold without you here I'm not gonna lie Don't know what I'd do without you Maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside I've realized I only want you I hope it's not too late I want you back here with me We never should have said it's better this way I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds Come on back to me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way.
Oh no! Naalala ko yun. Ang ganda mo.
A bit naive, I'm so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater, so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way.